Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're just going to do a for loop, but this is quite an interesting example of a for loop. So we're going to do a nested for loop, a loop in a loop basically. So let's kick off without further ado. So we're going to start it off with for x in range of, let's say, 1 to 99. Okay, now we're going to do the next for loop inside it, a nested loop. So for y in range of 1 to 99, same again. Okay, then what we're going to do, we're going to create a variable called output. So output here is equal to x times by y multiplied by y, and then we're going to print here the output of this output, and then we're going to print end here, and we're going to do, let's have a look, that. Okay, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to print outside the loop. Print. Okay. All we have to do now is to save that. Save. And I'm just going to open this. I'm going to open it to full screen so you can see it in full glory. Okay, let's run it. Here we go. There we go. Check that out. Isn't that just absolutely amazing? So, as they say, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So that's just one fun example of a nested for loop for you. So thank you very much for coming along with me, and remember to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.